Hey fellow RVers. Ever glance at your tank monitor panel and think, there's no way that's right? You just dumped the tanks, but it's still reading 1/3 full. Don't worry, you're not alone, and it's usually an easy fix. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most common RV headaches, inaccurate grey and black water tank sensors. Let's get them reading correctly again. So, why does this happen? Over time, gunk, soap, scum, grease, and yes, even bits of toilet paper can build up and stick to the sensors inside your tanks, giving you a false reading. It's annoying, but totally preventable. Let's start with the grey tank that's all your sink and shower water. A super effective and cheap method is to use liquid automatic dishwasher detergent. So, the kind for your home dishwasher, not just regular dish soap. After you've dumped your grey tank, close the valve and pour about a cup of this detergent down your kitchen sink, followed by several gallons of water. Then, just go for a drive. The sloshing action turns your tank into a giant washing machine, scrubbing those sensors clean. The next time you dump, all that grime should flush right out. Now for the big one, the black tank. This is where things can get a bit more stubborn. The #1 culprit for sensor issues. Here is toilet paper and solid waste, creating what is infamously known as a poop pyramid right under the toilet. The key is using plenty of water with every single flush. Seriously, don't be shy with the water. Also, make sure you're using septic-safe, rapid-dissolving RV toilet paper. For a deep clean, after dumping the black tank, close the valve and add a specialized enzyme cleaner like Unique RV Digestip Plus or a similar product. Follow the directions on the bottle, which usually involves adding the product with several gallons of water and letting it sit. Again, a good drive will help it work its magic. If your RV has a built-in black tank flush, use it every time you dump. Just hook up a dedicated hose never. Your drinking water hose, turn on the water, and let the internal sprayers blast the inside of the tank clean. Always remember to keep your black tank valve open while using the flush to avoid any messy disasters. Proper maintenance is everything. Balls. Prime your black tank with a few gallons of water and a good tank treatment after every dump. This creates a liquid base that helps break down solids from the start. By following these simple steps, you can say goodbye to faulty readings and keep your RV's plumbing system happy and healthy. I hope these tips help you out on your next adventure. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more RV tips and tricks. Happy camping!